Hi guys, today we're going to make some Louisiana spicy chicken fry. I got this the other day and we tried it yesterday and we're like, ooh, no more Popeyes for us. This stuff's delicious. Even though it's spicy, but even though Billy's like, it could be spicier.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. And then we got some honey mustard to dip it in today. This whole plate of chicken here, all these chicken tenders at our little market that we go to, Corner Market in Chillicothe, Ohio, is $8.72. They were $4.79 a pound. And then we got some just regular chicken wings there, and I saved it. They were $2.27 at $2.99 a pound. That's cheap for chicken wings, $2.99.
Oh, show 'em else what we found.
Oh, yeah, because you know, we are not at all sponsored by Swaggerty's, but every time we find something new by them at any place around here, we get it, and we spotted these. Swaggerty's sausage and buttermilk biscuits. And they had one with croissants too. And Billy wanted the biscuit one. There's 12 in here. They're small, but they come in a 2-pack. It was $7.75 for all of them. And Swaggerty's, in case you watch this, we love you. This is what they look like. They're 2 in a pack. Just bacon or sausage and biscuit.
I love sausage and biscuits.
So there's
and
that.
Since I love their sausage, I'm sure that's going to be fantastic.
So he's ready to try it. All right, so
we love you, Swaggerty.
Love you.
We love your products.
All right, so I forgot to get out my bowl. Hang on just a second. I thought I had everything, but I didn't. Okay, now I do. So with this stuff here, we're going to put in 5 tablespoons of it. Look how orange that is. Ooh.
One.
I'm not getting them full. I need to get them full. Put a little extra.
2.
And then to that, we add a 1/2 cup of water. So that we just mix all that together.
So you don't mix no Louisiana hot sauce in it.
I think he's wanting some in there.
It just didn't seem as hot to me as it should have, but hey, you know.
You loved it, though.
It's good. Definitely good.
He actually said, that's the best chicken I've had here. What? What?
I can't even give a compliment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that was my favorite one. How's that? Well, we've made some good chicken here.
Yes. Yes, we have. But we keep trying to get spicy chicken. Spicy, spicy, spicy. And we can't. And this one really came out good. All right, let's see if I can find some Louisiana hot sauce. I got Grace.
Now, there's Louisiana back there.
Oh, here it is. I mean, you got to have Louisiana since you're having Louisiana stuff. So let's put a little bit in there. By little, I mean little. I don't know how hot this stuff is. So.
It's not very hot.
Because I don't do hot sauce like he does.
I don't either.
See what that got you? And then we're going to put the rest of the flour right there. If you call it flour, I don't know.
I'm sure that's got flour in it.
Yeah. All right. Turn up my skillet. We're frying it in this electric skillet today. I'm going to turn it up to about 325 right now. We're going to put our chicken tenders in the batter here. And yes, I touch raw chicken, but I have a sink. I'm not worried about that. We'll put that into there.
I bet if we soaked that overnight in that, it would get it
We talked about that, but I didn't have the chicken until today.
hot like I want it.
We went and got the chicken today, so.
Mmm.
Eat fast. All right, we'll let this get hot and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I decided to just shake it. So we just poured everything in here. And while my back was turned, he added some more Louisiana. I saw it in there and I was like, I'm going to stir that up.
Would I do that?
Yes. So we might have extra hot. It wasn't little either like I did.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to put these in here. I thought it'd be easier. Put it in a bag, get it all covered. Put some more in there.
You gonna put it in the S-word?
Oh! Look at him. He knows. I'm forgetting. I'm worried about the bag. He's got to keep me straight. It's a rough job.
I tell you what.
Guys, we're all glad that you're here. If you're new to our channel, we just do some easy recipes on here. Sometimes we'll slip in something like this where it's just us cooking and talking.
We love having you along.
Yes, we do. We want to welcome all of our new subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe.
And to the ones that's hung around a long time, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. We've had some long-time subscribers and family, as we call them. We love y'all.
Very much appreciated. Sometimes your comments just make our day.
Not sometimes, every time. We read all the comments. And we answer them all. If I didn't answer, it's because I didn't see it, not because I'm ignoring it. You know, sometimes some of them might slip through. I try to keep up on it.
It's rough trying to hang on to all that stuff. Trying to keep up with it.
You can always instant message me if you want over on the Facebook page. We have one under Biker Baker and Mr. Smith. If you want to do that, you're welcome there and message me. And we have a community tab on here now, I think, that you can message through the community. So if you find that, that's something new they started. They invited me to. YouTube did, so. I put that on my page. So.
Make my mouth water.
He's already.
Well, I know how good it is because we had it yesterday.
This might be better with all the heat you put in it.
And I was like, well, I want it again.
Yesterday, we went to a bluegrass gospel sing on the bluegrass on the grass in Chillicothe, Ohio. And Bill's like, what? We did 2 things on the weekend. We went last Saturday to the Kenworth Truck Show, prayed, and then to that last night because we usually don't get out. We stay home. Besides when during the day, we go out, but at nighttime, if we're out past 4 o'clock, that's amazing.
Usually it's just to the gym or Walmart. That's the main 2 places we go.
But we are going to maybe take off a day and maybe go to Hillbilly Hot Dog or something this week, do something. Just a day run.
Or Buc-ee's or, you know, whatever.
Buc-ee's is in Richmond, Kentucky. And Hillbilly Hot Dog is in Lesage, West Virginia. If you guys want to see what we do there, or just let us know, because I don't want to change the channel much because We started as a cooking channel, and if you guys want to see more to do into what we do and stuff, we'll be glad to take you along a little bit on that. But
it's mainly sticking to food, but
yes,
and of course food will be involved in that as well.
Because we'll get something to eat, and that's what we'll show you.
Everything revolves around food.
Life revolves around food. Everything. You know?
Well, that smells good.
All happy times revolve around food, you know? Weddings, anniversaries, dates, always
funerals.
Food. It's always food. Well, that's a celebration of life.
That's right.
Sometimes that is okay.
Hey, when I go, I don't want nobody to be crying and boo-hoo, and I want you to be laughing and telling stories.
Me neither. I want a parade.
Yeah. I want a motorcycle parade.
Yeah. All right, guys, we'll let this fry out, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're taking our chicken out. We checked the temperature on it, and they were like 169, so they are done. These look so good.
Smells good.
Billy's frying him some potatoes back there he had the other day, so he's slicing them up. He had
I had them on the smoker, and now I cut them up and I'm frying them.
Yeah, they were quartered on the smoker, and then he's cut them up, added in some bacon grease with some onions in it.
Smells good too.
So we got that out. Now we're just going to put some more in. We got one more round. We got these, and then the chicken with the bone in. So, and then we'll show you a plate when we get done. All right, we're going to do our taste test. I've got chicken. I've got some of it Bill's fried potatoes he did here, and I got green beans. So he didn't want any green beans. So here we go on the chicken. I'm not going to dip it in anything yet. Or if I do. I just taste a piece of the crust. My baby's hot. I think Billy overdid on the Louisiana. Now, he's going to love it. When it's in your mouth like this, when I swallow it, I bet it's going to burn.
And when you go to the bathroom tomorrow.
They didn't need to hear that. That is so good, guys, though. But my tongue's burning. If you do buy that Louisiana mix and you don't like it super, super hot, don't put any extra in it. Because yesterday it was good. It was spicy.
We got the extra spicy too in that.
Yeah, we got the
you
spicy.
You can probably get a mild in it.
Yeah. But even the spicy was not hot that you couldn't eat it. This, what he did, my tongue's burning. So I'm going to have to maybe get some ranch to cool it down. So I might dip mine in some ranch. But guys, that really is good. Like I said, I had it yesterday without the extra hot stuff. And I'm a wimp when it comes to that. But he's not. So he's going to love it. He hasn't tried it yet.
And when I made my potatoes the other day, I made some carrots too. So I fried those up with the potatoes.
Some carrots
and
potatoes.
I put a little honey on those carrots. Oh my.
And onions and bacon grease. And we fried the chicken in lard and tallow. And
so good.
That was the last of our tallow. So he's making some more. He's got it on in the crock pot. So we're going to have that. I have to leave that on for a few hours. So
we don't want to run out of that tallow no more. That's too good stuff.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker Mr. Smith Show. And we gonna eat. Happy Sunday.
Peace out, y'all.